Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back everybody. So let's take a look in euro currency. Here you can see it seems that market is coming with our secondary scenario. So because yesterday we said that let's keep an eye on the possible head and shoulders, maybe some reaction will happen on the CPI report. You could see, and I will show you later in the video, that this head and shoulders has not been formed. The market just keep dropping lower. Currently we have very nicely looking overall stop. That's just waiting when the downside action will be completed. It will be agreement support, and here we start watching for another bullish patterns. Could, for example, market keep going higher, lower? Whether it's possible that it will be XOP? Well, yes, it is possible. It could happen. And in general, as I said in the weekly report, that the pairing market right at this support area and this confidence also, and daily oversold, it might be really very sweet combination where we could get the probability on our side, so to consider taking the long position. So it will be just perfect if we will see euro currency right there. But currently, since this is minimum target of this ABCD pattern, right, and in general weekly engulfing, and weekly trend remains bullish, we should not ignore this setup as well. Here you could see actually on the 4-time frame chart how nice it looks like. So we have this downside ABCD and creates an agreement around 109.80 area with the 109.89 fib level. So here yesterday was, you can see, reversal bar to the downside is bearish, and in general you can see that we have rather some impulses on the bearish side that happens relatively often in this downward action. So we have this impulse, then once again, and every time the market shows retracement, we've got some acceleration to the downside. This indicates some bearish pressure on the market. Currently market stands flat, but at this point I wouldn't consider taking any new positions. I would prefer to wait when the major targets will be reached, because if you are trying to take positions somewhere in this area, it will be a lot of concern and really problems where to place stop, and you could meet really unpleasant action against you when the market will start tending to the final target. As we said, to be honest, I'm not sure that market definitely will reverse at this point, because in general, if you take a look at the CD leg actually faster than AB, it's a bit choppy, and that's why it's not really clearly visible, but in fact you could see that it's relatively fast, and from that standpoint of view we can't exclude totally possible action to the XOP. Besides, situation in geopolitical sphere is becoming hotter, and that could trigger some additional demand for United States dollar in the current circumstances. Euro currency unfortunately was not able to use this performance on the yields. It's mostly has spent this time in flat, but currently when yields start showing some pullbacks, here is also butterfly has been completed, it makes additional pressure on euro currency. So as you can see, the market is moving slightly lower. On the hourly chart, we could speak about the 3-drive pattern that we mentioned yesterday, but as you can see that its target around 109.93 stands, well, slightly higher than we would like to see, because target on the 4-time frame chart with this ABCD pattern is 109.80. So difference approximately 10-13 pips. So not very big difference, but I think that this is a primary target. So if even 3-drive will be formed, so market can try to touch the target on the 4-time frame chart, or we could get so-called, here we could get, for example, well, more extended leg. It will be not purely the 3-drive, but for instance 1618 butterfly might be formed, or something that could let market to reach 1618 extension, 109.81. But anyway, this is really minor details. Currently we do nothing since market shows bearish action and watching for particular 109.80, 109.90 area for any signs, any bullish signs that led us theoretically to consider taking the long position. If we will not get any, so something will happen like it was with our oldest minor pattern. So if you remember, first we considered minor hand shoulders right there, thinking that it will be shoulder ahead. No shoulder has been formed, market collapsed. Then we turn to this larger pattern, right? So we think that yesterday it might be formed, but once again you can see that the shoulder has not been formed, market just collapsed once again. So if something similar will happen around this area, in this case we could start thinking about the deeper retracement, XOP on the daily chart and so on. But for now, let's keep watching for this level and see what will happen.